Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to change the pointer size and color on your Mac. A handy customization that can significantly enhance your Mac experience. Whether you are dealing with a large screen, challenging backgrounds, or just want a more personalized touch, let us explore how to make your pointer more visible and appealing. To begin, let's clarify what the pointer is. It is that small arrow or shape you see on your screen, often referred to as the cursor. It is your digital guide, your interaction tool with a digital world. However, sometimes it can be like looking for a needle in a haystack, especially on high-resolution displays or intricate backgrounds. But fret not, we've got the perfect solution for you. Our journey starts with accessing the customization settings. You will want to open System Preferences, which you can find in the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen. Then, navigate to Accessibility, followed by Display. Here, you'll find several accessibility options, but today, our focus is the Pointer tab. It is crucial to make the distinction from the pointer control options elsewhere in accessibility, as we are concentrating solely on enhancing the visual aspect of the pointer. Before we dive into pointer size and color, let us explore a nifty feature called Shake Mouse Pointer to Locate. When enabled, this feature temporarily enlarges the pointer as you swiftly move your mouse back and forth. It is like giving your cursor a little wake-up call. This feature can be your savior if you ever find yourself hunting for your pointer on a cluttered desktop or a sea of documents. However, if it becomes a bit too active for your liking, fear not, you can easily disable it within these settings. Now, let's tackle pointer size. The primary control here allows you to choose between two distinct sizes, normal and large. Opting for large makes your pointer substantially more prominent on your screen while still retaining its precise click point at the tip. This is particularly useful if you have a high-resolution display, where a standard-size pointer might feel lost in the pixels. But wait, there's more. You can take your pointer customization a step further by adjusting its outline and fill colors. Click on the color swatch next to outline color, and a color picker will gracefully emerge. This allows you to select any color you fancy. For instance, you can choose an attention-grabbing red for the outline. Likewise, you can modify the fill color by clicking on Fill Color and selecting your preferred hue. Here, we've opted for a refreshing green. This customization not only enhances visibility but also ensures your pointer complements various screen backgrounds, guaranteeing it always stands out. If at any point you wish to return to the default pointer settings, fret not, it is a breeze. A simple click on the reset button is all it takes. Doing so will gracefully revert both the outline and fill colors to their standard white and black, and the pointer size back to normal. So, you can explore customization with confidence, knowing you can always return to the basics. For those seeking even more extensive customization possibilities, consider venturing into the world of third-party apps readily available in the App Store. These applications offer a treasure trove of features, from the ability to magnify the pointer to changing its shape and even further fine-tuning its colors. A swift search for mouse pointer in the App Store will unveil a plethora of such apps, allowing you to take your pointer customization to unprecedented levels of personalization. To wrap up, personalizing your Mac's pointer can elevate your overall user experience, making it both more functional and visually pleasing. Whether you yearn for a longer, more conspicuous pointer or wish to create a new, unique look, these customization options are your toolkit. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and remember to explore these settings to make your Mac truly your own. Your pointer, your style.